leads. So I've been experimenting with a few tools like this actually, and some of them have worked really well and some of them like not. So I find that a lot of the language models still hallucinate, and even with the search function on, still need a bit of legwork, but this kind of process has definitely saved me loads of times for the companies that I work for and for my sales efforts as well to find leads for myself. So I'm going to show you how it works first. So basically, I feed the tool with details about target audience. So let's say London marketing agencies, small to medium size. Let's give it that. And then what I expect it to do is it's gonna use the search function to then provide me a list of three or more companies that fit that description. So now it's given me these three companies, and let's check if it has hallucinated or not these websites. So WHR Marketing is a actual company. Cavalier.London is an actual company, and Curious Marketing Agency is an actual company. So how I've built this is quite simple. All you have to do is once you've signed in or signed up to LaunchLemonade, use a language model. I have chosen GPT-4o because that's the model that has got the search function currently. And then in the instruction, I've just given it a role that they're a business development expert specializing in lead generation. Their task is according to the city, business size, and industry provided. They will find leads, business names, and contact information. I've given them some rules to follow and a specific output. So you have the ability to call the internet, present your output in a table with the following columns: company name, location, website, and provide three at a time. I also have scraped information from my website. So it's got the context again, and again, it's pulling information from my core memory. In the settings, I have made sure to enable search so that it can call the internet. And that's it.